But those allegations that you're saying has nothing to do with the president.
Well, it does.
No, no. The thing with the president is your allegation is using
unprogram
Saldico's
allocation.
testimony. No, no, no. The Saldico's testimony that may kumita si presidente. That's the only thing
Kasama
that
yun.
will connect the president to this controversy.
Well, no, I don't think it's connected eh.
Hindi,
Ano ang sinasabi mo, yung 2 billion is parang ito na yung ayuda para pumirma ng impeachment?
Hindi, sabi ni-
Did I get you correctly or
Hindi, yung
wrongly?
binabanggit ko kasi na about the parametric formula, ito naman yung nasa Makabayan Black impeachment.
Okay.
Sabi nila, sobrang mali nito. So I had to check on that. Ano ba yung ginagawa? And tama naman sila, if you look at the Leviste files, yung Cabral files, ganun eh, hinati-hati yung mga pondo. So I'm saying, ang sama na nangyari sa ating bansa. Now, in the case of the President sa amin naman, yung unprogrammed allocation. So lahat ng nangyayari sa budget, which is the President signs it, ano to, magugulat ka, di ba? Unprogrammed allocation, pag may sobrang pondo. Pagka sumobrang revenues mo, then pondoan mo. Nasa akin ng dokumento, SARO, February of the year,
Of this year?
of last year.
Of last year,
No. Unprogrammed allocation. Sabi ko, ha? Di ba dapat usually, or hindi usually, talaga nangyari end of the year.
Okay, your allegations should directly connect the president to the basis of your basis of removing him. But all these are on the basis of pumirma siya ng budget.
No. May pumirma siyang budget. Pagkatapos nagkaroon dito ng actual na meron kaming evidence, yung unprogrammed allocation, puro to flood control, majority siguro 60%.
No, but
February of last year.
But the whole point is, ang point ko lang, it's not about putting the flood control in the unprogram. It's really imputing directly, which I believe, if Saldico has a testimony, that he said, I delivered money to diretso kay Presidente
That
Marcos.
is the graft and corruption case.
Correct.
Na nagkaroon siya ng pagbibigay ng pera that he
Correct.
mentioned. But what I'm saying also, above the Saldico case, na dito pa lang sa unprogrammed funds, may culpable violation of the Constitution because in February, when there was no established funds, pinirmahan mo na yung release ng pondo
Saro.
for flood control.
But that's pangandaman. Pangandaman ng pumipirma ng SARO eh.
Kasi unprogrammed to. So, the government will say, finance will say, boss, may extra funds tayo.
Oh.
Pero,
Pero the one who will certify that on excess revenues naman over targets would be Secretary of Finance.
That's correct.
So, again, the question is, I'm not being, I'm
Yes.
just, because it's a direct accusation against the
Yes.
President, it cannot, may mga layers pa before the President.
No, but the actual...
Eventually, you're going to prove command responsibility because otherwise, well, the President did not, yung SARO was signed by Pangandaman, the Budget Secretary. The certification that there's excess revenue will be signed by the Secretary of
yan
Finance.
ang